Hello students of class 4. Welcome to the Value Education class. So students, today we are going to read chapter 5, Honesty, Basis of All Virtues. All of you take out your book and open page number 24 and follow the class. Chapter 5, Honesty, Basis of All Virtues. Value, Truthful Living. Once there lived a guru in Banaras, Varanasi. He was wise and honest in his life. He had a number of disciples. It was believed that he had a marvelous capacity to teach a large number of pupils sitting together. Banaras and Varanasi both are same. One day, he called his disciples to tell them about his wish. The students were very anxious to hear it. He said to them, "Dear children, I have a daughter. She has now grown up into a beautiful young lady. I wish to give her in marriage to one of you. So I need valuable dresses and ornaments for her marriage. You will have to go and steal, but remember, do not get caught by anybody. You should be very careful. I will give her in marriage to the one who brings the most." Hearing the wish of the guru, the disciples set out and stole jewelry and clothes from different places. At last, they came to the guru and gave those things to him. When all gave their things to him, there came one pupil who was empty-handed. All other students looked at him with wonder. The guru asked him, "Each one gave me some or the other thing. You came empty-handed. Why?" He replied, "O master, it is you who taught us that stealing is not lawful. I do not want to become dishonest in order to marry your daughter. I consider these values as the base of my future life." "Well done, my son," said the guru. He continued, "You have won the test. I do not want these jewelry and clothes, but I want a heart built with moral values. Such a man only can find happiness in life. He only can make my daughter live happily." The marriage was arranged. Guru's daughter was given in marriage to the pupil who was honest. Others were asked to return the stolen things and ask sorry for the same. Education intends to build up a good personality. In order to develop such a personality, education must be based on moral and ethical values. Ethical means relating to moral principles or the branch of knowledge dealing with these. Honesty and truthfulness should be the basis of one's life. It should be the foundation stone on which the castle of life should be built. If your life is backed up with moral and ethical principles, it will be like a house built of rocks which will not be affected by flood, wind, waves, etc. The life lived with honesty will stand against all evils of the society. A man who is sincere in his acts, words, and thoughts is honored by the society. People respect him. He is a man who keeps his promises. The modern world is in need of such people. Honesty and truthfulness were the key principles in the life of Mahatma Gandhi. He said Satyagraha in his life. He used Satyagraha in his life to find freedom for India. Owing to truth and non-violence, he defeated the mighty Britishers. Truthfulness is very important in life. We must understand the meaning of the words Satyameva Jayate of Mandok Upanishad. It means truth alone triumphs. It means win, victory. So truth is the highest virtue, but still higher is truthful living. Even a little untruth destroys a man as a drop of poison ruins milk. So we should be sincere and honest in life. Very often we tell lies to save ourselves from punishment. Take a decision not to lie again. So students, what we have learned, what moral we have got, what values we have got from this chapter. A person who practices honesty in life possesses a strong moral and an ethical character. An honest person shows good behavior, always follow rules and regulations, maintain disciplines, speak the truth, and is always punctual. Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. It builds up a good personality. Honesty and truthfulness are very important in life. These are the two things that should be the basis of our life. The life which is lived with honesty will stand against all the evils of the society. If our life is backed up with moral and ethical values, we are fearless and courageous. An honest person can face any situation in life through courage and self-confidence. A man who is sincere in his acts, words, thoughts is honored and respected by the society. Always remember, a person whose heart is built with moral values can actually find happiness in life. So students, we have done this chapter. That's all for today. Have a nice day all of you and take care.